Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you how to sew square corners or angled corners just like this one. And sometimes it is very difficult to sew corners, but I'm going to show you an easy method. So yeah, sewing corners are very difficult talaga. Okay, so these are the fabrics that I'm using. I'm using Duchess satin in ultra white and royal blue. They are kinda expensive, so you have to be careful. Char. So these fabrics will create a corner, when you sew them together because they are angular. So the technique that I'll be showing you guys is the pivoting method. I'm just gonna snip off somewhere here in the corner around at this point. So that it will create an ease or something. Okay, so when you reach to this point, you have to pivot the fabric. So I reach the point of intersection. Okay, so when you move the fabric, you have to note that the needle should stick through the fabric. So you just do this, okay? Like that. I'm turning the fabric around. Just like that. And then, ayusin nyo lang. And then just like that, okay? So I turned it around. Charot! So next, continue sewing. Snip this up. Okay, so here is the result, you guys. It looks nice. It looks clean naman. So this is the corner and that's it. This is the back side. As you can see. And yeah. Charan.